A warm greetings present over here. I am Dr.E.Kamatchi-AP-MBA, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, PG. So today I am going to discuss the subject creativity and decision making. The topic is problem sensitivity, restructuring and flexibility. So leveraging mind maps for innovation. So problem sensitivity, restructuring and flexibility, the core cognitive skills that drive creative problem solving and effective decision making. Together, they allow the spot hidden challenges, break free from cognitive rungs, and pivot your strategy when circumstances change. Here is the how these skills break down and interact. Problem sensitivity. So, problem sensitivity means the ability to recognize when something is wrong or likely to grow wrong. So even if the extra exact solution isn't obvious, creative benefit if shifts you from the reactive to a proactive mindset instead of waiting for the crisis. You notice flaws in the system, gaps in a plan, or unmet needs in the market, and also the decision making benefit. It prevents blind spots by sensing potential risk early. You can adjust your course of action before committing significant resources to a flawed idea. Restructuring means the cognitive ability to break down a problem, discard initial assumptions, and recognize the elements into a complexity, new conceptual framework. Creative benefit, it allows you to overcome the functional fixedness, the tendency to see the objects or concepts only in their traditional use. Restructuring lets you see an old problem with fresh eyes. Decision making benefit, it is crucial for reframing. If a primary strategy fails, restructuring enables you to reevaluate the assets and limitations at hand, turning a perceived dead end into an opportunity. So flexibility means cognitive flexibility, the mental agility to switch between the different concepts, rules, or perspectiveness, and to adopt a new unexpected information. Creative benefit, flexibility fuels divergent thinking. It helps to generate a wide variety of ideas by connecting seamless and related concepts, allowing for innovation. Decision making benefit, it prevents the subordinates when new idea contradicts your initial hypothesis. Flexibility allows you to abandon a failing strategy to embrace the more viable alternative without emotional resistance. So, so what is design thinking? So, design thinking is a human-centered approach to creative problem solving, focuses on empty and understanding the user needs, embraces the iterations and learning from failures, non-linear cyclical process for innovation. So the problem sensitivity, deep awareness, the user pain points, challenges, recognize subtitle patterns, the user behavior, empathetic listening to unspoken needs, identifying the opportunities for meaningful change, problems restructuring, reframing challenges from multiple perspectives, redefining the problem space, exploring alternative problem statements, unlocking innovative solutions through new viewpoints, flexibility and flexibility guessing, adaptive thinking across the different perspectives, using intelligent guessing to explore possibilities, switching approaches when current paths stalls, generating multiple solution pathways. So creative intelligent model, problem sensitivity, perceiving issues, problem restructuring, reframing challenges, flexibility guessing, adaptive exploration, elaboration, developing ideas in detail. So what is the mind mapping? So visual diagram organizing ideas around the central concept, branches expand from core idea to relative themes, capture connections between ideas and insights, enhance brainstorming problem exploration. So the mind mapping applications visualize the problem space and user needs, facilitates team brainstorming and collaboration, supports iterative problem restructuring, enables flexibility guessing and exploration. The five phases of the design thinking: empathize, define, and ideate. Understand the user experience and needs. Define means clearly articulate the problem statement. Ideate the generative ideas and possibilities. So the five phases of the prototype and test: the building testable solutions. Test means validate with users and iterate. Phases or cyclical, non-linear. So the mind map or the creative problem solving: problem, exploration, and solutions. Problem means central issue to solve. Exploration means multiple reframings. Solution means creative possibilityness. So the benefits of the combined approach: enhancing problem sensitivity through the visualization, structured exploration of problem space, encourages flexibility, thinking and reframing, improves team alignment and collaboration. So the getting started of the design thinking: apply creative intelligence model to problem, create mind map of problem landscapes, use flexibility guessing to explore options, test solutions, and iterate creatively. Thank you.